Daniel Robb, and it's the windowhub.co.uk Limited. We're breaking ground on our first lot of trees, so in total we'll be planting 3,000 trees over the next 2 years. We're doing that to improve our sustainability and also for the local eco-infrastructure, because this place used to be a cornfield, and what's going to be transformed in is an environmental area where lots more plants and wildlife and trees will be there to make it more sustainable. We're planting our first lot of trees, which are slightly bigger than the ones that are going in planting season in October, and they're all with their own copper tags. So in this case now it's us as a company and people that we hold dearest and nearest to us that we've planted a tree for, but then also our customers will be handed a copper tag that they can come in October, November time and plant their own tree if they wish, or just hand it back to us with their order and we'll plant it for them. People are talking about carbon offsetting and yeah, that's great, let's throw some money at the situation, but actually doing something in our own environment is what it's all about. So we've made a start here. So that's at Boyd Valley Lake, BS36NY, and we can be found at the Staple Hill High Street or online at the windowhub.co.uk, and we're at 72 to 74 High Street, BS16 5HN.